People might say, does 1 or 2 degree rise in global temperatures really make a difference? It might seem like such a small change, right? Let's take a closer look at how global average temperature rising by even 1 degree can bring big changes and what's at risk if we don't act. The 1.5 degrees Celsius and 2 degrees Celsius scenarios are scientifically assessed climate goals set by the Paris Agreement to keep global temperatures from rising too much. While some ecological damage is inevitable at this point, a lot can still be avoided. These limits help us understand the catastrophic scenarios the Earth can avoid if we act soon. So let's compare the two scenarios where the countries are able to keep the temperature rise closer to 1.5 degrees Celsius versus 2 degrees Celsius. At 1.5 degrees, approximately 700 million people may experience extreme heat waves at least once every 20 years, compared to over 2 billion at 2 degrees Celsius warming. That's 1.3 billion less people getting sick from heat waves, and the air we breathe would be cleaner if we stay closer to a 1.5 degree target. Under a 1.5 degree scenario, about 70% of tropical coral reefs are projected to be at risk of severe degradation due to bleaching, whereas virtually all would be at risk at 2 degrees Celsius. Limiting warming to 1.5 degrees Celsius is expected to result in sea level rise being approximately 10 centimeters lower than if temperatures rise by 2 degrees Celsius, providing critical time for coastal communities to adapt. A 2 degrees Celsius increase might push us past tipping points, like melting the ice sheets in Greenland and Antarctica, which could make sea levels rise by several meters, affecting coastal cities across the world. So, where are we now and how much time do we have? Even though in 2023 the world experienced its hottest year on record, the 1.5 degree limit has not yet been breached. This is why the global climate action commitments made at COP, which is in Baku this year, are critical and crucial in the battle against climate change.